People ask this a lot. And yeah, it's kind of funny that one of the top Brookhaven questions is how to make your avatar taller. As if height actually gives you superpowers. But hey, I get it. We all want presence. The base problem most players have is they don't realize how much of their avatar's height is locked into the scale settings and how outfits can either boost or shrink your look. The default body types are deceptively short. First off, hit the avatar editor. It's on the left side of your screen, and yeah, it looks simple but hides a lot more than people give it credit for. Tap body, then go to the scale section. This is where it happens. Here's the part most people screw up. They only increase the height slider. Yes, you should move that all the way to the right, but that alone will not make you much taller if your proportions and width aren't also adjusted correctly. Pro tip, set height to 100%, proportions to 100%, and width down around 50%. That combo makes your avatar tall and lean, which visually stretches the character on screen. It's the illusion of power. It works, way more than you'd think. Another underrated thing? Use layered clothing that adds bulk vertically. I'm talking long coats, trench jackets, tall boots. Anything vertical draws the eye upward. You can find free options that add literal inches to your look. If you use blocky packages like the man body or boy body, ditch those. Go with slim, or better yet, search for bundle packages like City Life Woman or Stylish Male. They stretch the legs and torso slightly more than standard bundles. The visual distortion trick also helps big time. Throw on a tall hat or spiked hair. The pal hair or the messy hair adds that big visual rise from the top of your head. Combine that with boots and it looks like you grew 3 inches. Here's a counterintuitive tip. Go into Brookhaven emotes and choose a stance like confident or model. These actually straighten your avatar more. Some poses lean forward slightly, which makes you look shorter. Details matter here. One of the dumb mistakes I made early on was trying to copy older TikTok outfit codes without understanding whether they boosted or shrunk height. Sometimes aesthetic doesn't equal height gain. Watch out for overly puffy shoulders or capes. And this might sound odd, but hang out next to smaller avatars for contrast. Brookhaven height is all relative. It's a sandbox game. You stand next to a shorter avatar and boom, you look tall. Just don't be a jerk about it in chat. At the end of the day, you're working with pixels. But here's the thing. When you customize with intent, people notice. You get the DMs, you get added to squads, get your height handled, and everything around it feels way cooler.